if your life is not in a healthy work-life balance, in which direction is your life out of balance? Example, too much work or too much play? And what can you do to find a healthy balance?
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Wasila. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. Your name?
My name is Muhammad Ramzan. I am from India, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, nice to meet you, Muhammad Razan.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Tell me, what can I help you with today?
Basically, I choose one topic related to work-life balance. So, I want some discussion over it, so that
Okay.
I also feel some confidence while communicating with you, and even there
Okay.
would be some suggestions from you which can help me to grow my work-life balance.
Inshallah, I hope so. Okay, so are you ready for work-life balance as the lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so lesson overview means, what is that? Okay,
Lesson
yeah, it
overview means,
means
okay,
what the lesson is about.
yes. What we will
And
be talking about throughout the lesson, that is called as lesson overview.
Okay, yes. Could you read 1, 2, and 3, please?
Yes, vocabulary, words to talk about work-life balance, and second one is discussion, your current work-life balance, the consequences of an unhealthy balance, cultural and corporate influences, describing problems and solutions related to achieving a healthy work-life balance.
That's very good reading. Do you understand everything?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let me go to the next slide. Here we are. Let's get started. To warm up, briefly discuss the following questions. What is this thing on my screen? Just wait 1 minute for me. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, Muhammad Ramzan, how busy is your life?
I have 7.
Okay, that's quite busy.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, great.
Not much busy, but I am just making it more busy.
Okay, by doing what?
Uh,
Working more?
yes, actually, I want to improve myself, and for that, I mean, managed, should schedule some type of activities related to my personal development, coding skill. Professionally, I am a software engineer, so I am also working on various projects, and also that's why.
Okay, that's actually why your life is so busy. Thank you. What will be stressful for you this week?
This week, actually, I committed to sleep for only 5 hours per day.
Mm-hmm.
So I had the commitment of the 10 days, and I could only achieve 5 days,
Oh,
and remaining 5 days I couldn't able to manage. So I'm really stressful that why I have not achieved this.
okay, let me correct you. The remaining 5 days, I was not able to. I wasn't able to. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the next, how will you relax this week, Fazan?
How will you relax this week? Yes, by after joining this Cambly. So whenever I am talking with various tutors, so by doing this type of communication, healthy communication, I feel more relaxed.
Okay, that's good. That's great. Actually, that's great news because Cambly is not meant for you to stress. It's meant for you to learn and relax at the same time. So let me go to our next slide. Vocabulary. Go over the meaning of these words and sorry, I have a problem here. All right, I'm going to go back. Every time I do a line, that thing appears there. Okay. Vocabulary. Would you like to read these words, please? And the meaning?
Yes, daily grind. So this is a noun, and the meaning of this is a tiresome, difficult, or monotonous daily work routine.
Mm-hmm.
So I am only just thinking about the difficult word that daily grind means difficult. Monotonous means loneliness. Is it?
No. Monotonous means the same thing every day.
Okay, Sam.
Excuse me.
And then we have burned out. So exhausted from working too hard that you can't perform well or no longer care about the job or your performance. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Try to be exhausted throughout the day after working hard. And then we
Yes.
have overworked. So having worked too hard or for too long. Yes, I also
Mm-hmm.
understand this. Then we have refreshed, feeling rested and renewed.
Mm-hmm.
So this means that if we are feeling tired or something like that, then we come out from our office and then meet with some new friends or maybe discuss something else
Yeah.
related to which is not related to our work. So in that way we can
Yes.
refresh our mind. Then we have
Yes.
to wind up, to unwind, to become relaxed.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, unwind.
Okay. So, do you understand all of these words? Yeah.
Yes. The last one I couldn't able to understand. To unwind means
Okay. When you come home from work, it means before you really, really relax, you come to that point where you're actually going to relax. While you're traveling or while you're driving, you are still, hyperactive. So when you get home, you sit down. That is when you try to unwind and then become relaxed.
okay.
Hmm. Okay. Sometimes people will have a cup of coffee. Other people will have a cup of tea. Something like that. So yes, that is actually getting to the point of becoming relaxed,
Okay.
as you
Thank you.
see the word become.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Got it.
All right. Great. Vocabulary practice, Razan. Does your life feel like a daily grind? Why or why not?
Yes, my life is daily grind. That is because I wanted to achieve something
Mm-hmm.
before my age of 25. So I
Mm-hmm.
have some commitment, and I have already. Uh, I'm currently 24 years old, completely, and now I am uh, end of this 2021. I will be at the age of 25. So I am
Mm-hmm.
thinking that I will be financially free, and for that I have a lot of commitments. And to achieve those things, I am doing the work on daily basis and just grinding my daily life. Yes.
That does sound like a daily grind, Razan. But why at the age of 25, if I may ask? Why such a short period of time?
Actually, I was reading a book, Think and Grow Rich. So
Mm-hmm.
in that, there were a lot of lessons. I
Mm-hmm.
mean chapters. So in those chapters, there were certain things like desire, and you must have a persistence, and you
Mm-hmm.
must have a desired goal. So
Mm-hmm.
I mean 2 years back, I was trying to achieve 1 crore rupees. So for that I committed to myself that I can
Mm-hmm.
achieve at the age of 25, and in that way I would able to fully support my family members, and even I will able to achieve all the dreams which I have.
Mm-hmm.
And then after I will be moving ahead uh, with whatever I am interested in, because earlier I have the only goal to get a lot of money, because
Mm-hmm.
to
Mm-hmm.
become more financially free.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
And you have added to the goal of earning that million rupees by
Yes.
adding more responsibility.
Yes.
Okay, great. How often do you feel burned out by your job or your busy life?
Uh, Within 1 month, almost 20 days.
Wow.
Yes.
20 days, for 20 days you feel burned out?
Yes.
That is definitely not good, Razan, because you have to feel burned out for less days and more days you have to feel relaxed. So, yeah, you have to be careful.
Yes, sure. Okay, thank you. I will be.
Okay, you're welcome. In what situations do you feel overworked? What is it that you do so much of that you feel overworked by that particular thing?
Basically, when I get up in the early morning and after offering the salah, and then I return back and read a book for
Mm-hmm.
about 20 pages, and then after I think that this is the morning time and there is too cold and I need to be relaxed. And if
Mm-hmm.
I am leaving my comfort zone at that moment,
Mm-hmm.
then I feel bad, and I know that I am feeling bad at that moment, but after some time I become more inspired because of my initiative which I took in the morning.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
That's
that
great. Thank you.
particular situation is really important for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine that. What do you do on the weekends or on vacations to feel refreshed? Not relaxed, refreshed.
Nowadays, I have the specific schedule which is little strict. So on daily basis, I have some time to become more relaxed, and I don't have any type of holidays because I'm not doing any job. I am having my own business, so I don't have any type of weekend. Yeah.
Again, unhealthy, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so what helps you unwind after a busy day? For example, like I said before, a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. Non-Muslims will have a drink, as they call it. But what helps you unwind after a busy day?
That is exercise.
Great, that's
Yes.
good. Okay, so exercise is what helps you unwind every day. Okay,
Yes.
very good. All right. Do you do like heavy exercise or do you do light exercise?
No, no, I do heavy exercise.
Mm-hmm.
So continuously for 45 minutes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. That is actually the one thing I have to say is healthy. So that's good. Razan, tell me, do you have a healthy work, study, life balance? You have three, not just work life. You have work and study and life.
Basically, I am not studying because currently I have completed my graduation, and then
Mm-hmm.
I have started my own work. So
Mm-hmm.
as a software engineer,
Mm-hmm.
and regarding health, I am also taking care of my health.
Good.
Very much sincere about that because I am doing exercise on daily basis, and I'm also eating good food to
Mm-hmm.
make it more make myself more healthy. And yes, yes, trying to achieve that, but not achieved yet.
Okay, so you're getting there.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to just give you these words: making a healthy effort. In other words, you don't, for example, if you were exercising and not eating accordingly, that would not be a healthy effort. But you
Yes.
are eating well, you are exercising, so that is a healthy effort. Great. Okay, I'm not asking the next question. How do you maintain it? You have already said that. Um, if your life is not in a healthy work-life balance, in which direction is your life out of balance? Example, too much work or too much play? And what can you do to find a healthy balance?
In which direction in your life? Yes, much work.
Too much
Basically,
work.
yeah, yeah. Basically, if I commit to complete a specific task within a certain time, so if I'm not able to achieve because of any laziness or something like that, then I become more frustrated.
All right. Okay, great. Can you, for example, if you can cut down an hour or two from your work life, would you be able to do that?
Yes,
Okay, so I think that is a solution to obtaining or attaining a healthy work-life balance because it's never good to work too much and to have too little time to relax. Yes, you are still young. That counts for you definitely in your favor. But trust me, you want to have a healthy work-life balance, because as you get older, you're going to start feeling it.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. In your opinion, what is the optimal balance